Well, we got the old Hillbilly air conditioner going again. Let's see. 37 degrees. 36.5. Down here on the inlet. Coming out. 54. 55 degrees coming out. 87 coming in. So we're definitely blowing cold air. Got the ice at 32 degrees. I wound up having to make this coupling here. I 3D printed it with TPU, but it seems to have degraded over the last winter. So I just threw some rubber tape around it and stuff the leak best I could. 3D printed knob, 3D printed overflow up here, and this is what the other connector looks like. It's exactly the same as this, minus all the dirt, and dust. So yeah, you know, she keeps me cool sitting there. That's good enough.